Hi, my name is Emilio Rodriguez. I'm originally from El Salvador. I'm a student of the bachelor's degree in communication at Ensign College. My story of how my journey started at Ensign College starts on my mission, where I met wonderful people. And after my mission, I got contacted by one of my friends here in the United States who wanted to sponsor my education. After doing some research, we decided that Ensign College was going to be a stepping stone for me to continue my education. Since at the time Ensign College only had associate's degrees, I wanted to study the social media marketing associate's degree. After a couple of months at Ensign College, they announced that they were going to have a bachelor's degree in communication. So I decided to continue at Ensign and not just take it as a stepping stone, but where I wanted to get my bachelor's degree. I got my associates in social media marketing, and I got married, and I moved to Hawaii with my wife. And I had the opportunity to continue studying at BYU Hawaii, but I decided that I wanted to come back to do my bachelor's here at Ensign because it was just the best place for me to develop my professional skills, and I believe that Salt Lake City had many more opportunities than Hawaii. So I decided to come back to Ensign College and continue with my communication bachelor's degree. Ensign College has blessed my life in many different ways. First of all, professionally, after getting a degree from Ensign, I was able to do an internship here in Utah at a place where I was able to learn what I wanted to focus my studies on. Then I went to Hawaii and I had the opportunity to work for Microsoft there and provide for my family while we were there. And then I came back, and now I'm working at the Desert News, where I am in charge of digital marketing and ad buying at an agency at the Desert News. I believe that I would have not had any of these opportunities if I didn't come to Ensign College. So I have had many wonderful work opportunities just because I got my degree at Ensign College. Then it has blessed my life with my family. I was able to meet my wife, not at Ensign College specifically, but at a job that I held at Ensign College. And I don't think that if I ever came to Ensign College, I would have had the life I have today. Being able to learn at Ensign College has also given me the opportunity to learn by the Spirit and not just secularly, which I think it's an important part of everyone's life, because I believe that if you learn through the Spirit, you learn the things that you are supposed to learn and not just from a curriculum. If I could say anything to the people watching this video, would be apply to Ensign College, especially international students. It's a very international, student-friendly environment where you can develop your capabilities in a very safe environment. I would encourage anyone to apply, even if it's just a stepping stone or somewhere you want to finish your career. I strongly advise anyone to apply.
Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. To apply to Ensign, click the link down below or go to ensign.edu. Can't wait to see you here.